out with happiness. For once isn't stuff in her face. Because I'm sure you all enjoyed how attractive that was for the start of yesterday's video. We've got Nala, Aria, she's got a squiddy tummy. Nala, Aria, Pumpkin Raven, Echo, Angel, Nancy with us. The ones that are showing tomorrow aren't walking today. We've got the delight of bathing them later. Yeah, that's kind of all we're up to, innit? Sort the car out in between baths.
Good girl.
Can tell we've had a couple of days of rain with the energy levels.
Yeah. Bumpers.
Didn't you just say she doesn't really jump up at you?
Yeah.
What happened?
Because she doesn't do it that often.
Oh, shocking. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get that bottom. You were ridiculous. I'm gonna get that bottom. I'm gonna go rah. Oh wow, mud, Nancy. Wow. Go. Both of the TikToks I did yesterday, considering I did one after the other, they've kind of done equally as well.
Well, that's what happened with one of Kevin and one of Becca. They both like just keep switching out who's gone more.
Because like the algorithm thingy on YouTube means that it's almost pointless to post more than one video a day.
Yeah.
Because the way that works, clearly TikTok's different.
Yeah.
It's kind of the same with Facebook. You need to leave a few hours between posts for them to do well.
Good girl, Nance.
She's so wired, she doesn't know what to do.
Who, Nance?
Yeah.
She's got like a mind.
No, so she sort of starts something and then she's distracted to something else and then she just goes round and round. Nala, move. Nala! Come on, go. Right, run. Oh. Hard life, Banana. Fancy taking you on a lovely walk up the mountain. Go on. Shocking life. Oh, get the rabbit. Rabbit just ran out in front of you, Nala.
She's like...
Another one.
That's not what the rabbit was.
Look who flushed it. Didn't realise what direction it gone. And probably Rave. Aria, Raven and Pumpkin will chase rabbits up here. They've never caught one as of yet. Aria's clearly run too much to trouble herself just yet. You can see though the sagginess underneath. It's getting bigger.
Yeah.
So she's losing. Just the skin's got to work its way tighter. Look who's finally gone for a run. She probably realised Pumpkin was on the scent.
Yeah.
Here she is. She can run. She's a real dog. Who puffed? Good girl. Good girl. That's what we want you to do, is run and have fun. You can eat treats anytime. drain because you're here.
Because I'm
Right. We were in the middle of a drought. You come and it's not stopped raining.
I've saved you.
Every single day. All your fault.
I've saved it.
You said you were going to bring it. And you certainly did. You brought the rain.
I don't like the rain.
Well, you've done it. Your dogs do.
They're like, oh, rain, mud.
As long as it ain't clean, it's fine.
Good job.
Right, one outburst of running is not good enough. She's got good muscle on her back end, right, Nala?
Yeah. She's mad because she's a salt puff as well.
Looks like a cow has been up here.
Yeah, they're not horse.
No, they're cow prints.
You're a cow.
The cows escaped from the farmer. I don't see any cow paths though. No, I've seen people train a cow and she show jumps on it. Maybe. Finn's lost Echo. We figured out who the cows belong to. You got her! Can you... Angel's collar, can I? She's got Belle on her collar. What you doing, Angel? Who's there? Where's Finn? Where's Finn? Did you lose me? Where did she go?
You know that bit of like grass that we were at?
Yeah.
Sat there crying.
That's a big...
Well,